Now the lens maker's formula. Consider we have taken one lens we have taken now. And to find the focal length of a given lens, we use the lens maker's formula. And this is one surface, this radius we are calling it as R1. This is the radius is R2. And consider here we have some object is located. So now I want to find the focal length of this lens. So if I call the refractive index of lens is, let us say, mu L. Mu L is a refractive index of lens. And the surrounding medium, the refractive index of medium, which I am calling this as mu M. Here we are assuming the left side and right side completely, we have only one medium is there. If the left side is one medium, right side is other medium, then the formula will differ. As of now, we are considering the left and right, we have only single medium is there. Same refractive index. Then the focal length of the lens, which is given as 1 by f, focal length, which is equal to 1 by f, which is equal to refractive index of lens by refractive index of medium minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by f is a focal length which is equal to refractive index of lens by refractive index of medium minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Where this R1, R2, we need to substitute along with the sign. We need to follow the sign convention. We need to follow. Sign convention we know now. So we should take the one light ray from the object should to fall on the lens. From that we can identify the whether R1, R2s are positive or negative. We can identify. Right.